learn about past tense. So there are three divisions of past tense, as you can probably see here. One is past perfect, past continuous, and past perfect continuous tense. Okay, the example of past perfect is I had swum, or you can also say she had drunk. Right. That's also one of the examples of past perfect. Next is past continuous. For example, he was running, or she was singing, or Nina was drinking, something like that. Okay. Okay. Next is past perfect continuous. For example, I had been swimming. Okay. So the formula to use past perfect continuous is this one. Okay. Had been plus verb plus ing. Had indicate the past. Been plus verb ing indicate the perfect continuous. This is the usage of the past tense. So one of the common usage of past tense is to talk about the past. Obviously, as this is called past tense. So for example, Haris worked at Nasi Ayam Mustafa. This sentence means Haris once worked at Nasi Ayam Mustafa and he is no longer working at Nasi Ayam Mustafa. Okay. Next is to talk about things that are imagined rather than true. For example, if I loved you, I would marry you. We use past tense in the word love because this is something that we imagine rather than true. That means here, this word also means I don't love you and I will never marry you. Okay. Next is for politeness. For example, excuse me, I was wondering if this was the train to the New York. So, okay, as for asking question, we also can use did to make question with the past tense. Okay. For example, when did you meet your husband? Or did she play tennis when she was younger? Okay. Other form of question is who discovered penicillin and who wrote the book? Okay. In this sentence, we also can just use the past tense. For example, is when you met your husband. Okay. Another one thing is when we use did, after the words did, we have to use the root word. As did meet, we use the root word of meet. And then did she play, we use play as root word from play. Okay. Next, we use didn't or did not to make negative statement with the past tense. Okay, as example, they didn't go to London this year. We didn't get home until very late last night. And the last one, I didn't see you yesterday. Okay, in SC, we should not use didn't because didn't is in short form. We should use did not instead.
As now, I'm going to elaborate more about past perfect. We use the verb had and the past participle for past perfect. As an example here, we had sung together last night. As what we taught you just now, it's just the same. We use had, then we use the past participle. It's very simple. Next, we use the past perfect continuous is formed with had been and the ing form of the verb. As an example, she had been struggling for years. As you can see here, we use had been, then we plus with ing for the verb. It's very simple. Next, we continue with past continuous. As you can see, for the first past continuous, to show that something continue for some time. As an example, my head was aching. It means that these are happening in the past and it is continue happening. Okay. For the second use, past continuous are used for something that was happening again and again. As an example, I was practicing every day 3 times a day. So basically is this thing is happened in the past, but it is happened again and again. For the third, past continuous are used with verb which shows change or growth. Her English was improving, and this is happened in the past. Basically, all this happened in the past is just describe the condition of the verb. That's all. Thank you.